I played volleyball and I played softball all throughout high school and middle school. So my hands kind of hurt because I was a setter, and then, you know, gripping the bat, it has harmed my body more than helped my body. So I got these rehab balls, and they're just these little stress balls right here. They look just like that, and I've been using them just to restore my hands because they have been hurting pretty bad. I used to be a setter and a hitter and all kinds of different things, but you have so many of these. So I have 3 right now, and they're all different strengths. So the gray one is going to be more squishy. The blue one is going to be a little more intense, and then the black one is going to be hard. So they all say what they are. So soft, medium, hard, and you have 6 balls. So not only do you have these small sizes, but you also have the larger sizes. These are just really going to be beneficial, especially if you hurt your hands or if you're like me and you played sports. But I like the bigger ones just because I can grip it a little bit better, and it's going around my whole hand and I'm working it out. I want to say I do this about 5 times a day because I am at the computer a lot since I do school. So whenever I'm at the computer, I'll just sit there and I'll squeeze them just to get the mobility back in my hands. So if you're looking for some nice rehab balls, these are definitely a good choice. So now I'm going to go do my rehab for the day. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.